So, what happens when a plant's reproductive game plan goes a little rogue? Let's find out.
Students in a plant science lab found something wild. This agave was making, well, babies instead of flowers. These little guys are called bulbils, and they're perfect genetic copies of the parent plant. To get why this is so cool, you gotta know that agaves are monocarpic. This means they get one single shot to flower and reproduce, and then, that's it, they die.
So bulbils are the plant's clever plan B. It's a backup plan in case pollination doesn't happen.
Oh, and get this is the exact same species used for tequila. So, what did the students do?
They got to practice real-world horticultural techniques. Let's walk through what they did.
First, they took apart the huge spike and carefully harvested hundreds of those tiny plantlets.
Each little bulbil was cleaned up by hand and then planted one by one. Pretty meticulous work.
So what's next for these little clones? Well, in just a couple of weeks, they'll start growing roots.
And over the next few years, they'll grow into a whole new generation of full-sized agave plants.
And these new plants aren't just going to sit around. They'll be used all over campus.
And that's really what it's all about, right? Connecting what you learn with what you can actually do.
It's an incredible survival strategy that also gets you thinking about the pros and cons of clones.